Hi friends, I am going to discuss about in this video what are the various testing challenges which we face normally whenever we are doing mobile app testing. The first one is the biggest challenge is device fragmentation. This is very challenging aspect because every manufacturing company they are releasing mobile devices in various combination, various operating systems, different combinations. Here our goal is to ensure that our mobile app should work in all different operating systems, all different devices which are manufacturing in the world. The next challenge would be network variability. We have 2G network is there, we have 3G, 4G, again we have these days 5G as well, we have Wi-Fi, cellular network, offline mode. By considering various these network conditions, we should operate our mobile apps. That guarantees that without it should not fail even if there is a network issues are there, or it should throw a right error messages when there is a issue with the network. And the next aspect is user interaction. This is also a very interesting topic and very challenging as well, where testing the various user interaction like by touching on the mobile or different gestures, voice command. And the next aspect is security. Again, security is a very big headache these days, and mobile apps are very easy for vulnerable for hacking and data breaches as well. And the next would be battery and memory usage or consumption, because every mobile comes with a different battery sizes, different memory sizes, and we should ensure that our mobile app should work seamlessly with varying battery sizes, varying memory sizes, and we should also bring an optimization on both battery consumption as well as memory consumption. And the next aspect is platforms and software updates. Apart from our mobile apps, mobile devices itself gets various software updates. It could be your Android updates, browser updates, this kind of different platform or software updates. Then again our mobile app should be compatible. Mobile devices comes with other apps like camera, calendar, contacts. Again, we wanted to integrate these apps like calendar, camera, contacts with our mobile apps. Then again we have to test compatibility issues across various of these different apps as well. Integration issues, we should test it. So these are some of the key important challenges which I can say we may face whenever we are going to test the mobile app testing, and we should adopt the right strategy to mitigate these issues as well, and we should put the right plan and strategy to enable to test all these aspects as well. I hope you guys got a clear idea now. If you guys are not subscribed, then do subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.